tonight we take part in a tradition that is distinctly Quest Cebu's, a tradition that signifies the vibrant sound of our favorite time of the year. For many years, bells have been used in churches to herald a new day, a new coming, and the arrival of a grand occasion.
Something in store for us.
It's a pleasure to have all of you here. I can't believe it's already been a year since our last bell ringing ceremony. So I feel like that was just very, very recently. So I guess time flies really fast when you're having fun.
Thank you so much, Ms. Mia. Now we would like to give the floor to Mr. JP Maunus.
Our vision is for a disability-inclusive Filipino society.
Clear, we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in love. Hey!
Yay! So everyone who has a bell will receive a treat. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all ring our bells so that Santa will go near you and distribute his goodies for the Christmas season. And he also has his elves with him.
That's right.